everyone, welcome to Be My Cook. Today I'm going to show you a healthy turmeric and ginger smoothie. So let me show you some of the ingredients we're going to need to make our healthy turmeric and ginger smoothie. We have some fresh turmeric root, that's this one right here. We have some black pepper, some fresh ginger root. I have some unsweetened coconut milk, frozen banana, and some baby spinach and baby kale. Let's get started. So what I have here is just about a thumb of ginger, and I want to cut some of this skin off. We're going to grate this, and ginger is so good and healthy for you. I love making this smoothie, especially in the winter. Cold season comes around. I like to make this. My husband loves it. I love it. Once I get to the turmeric, it's going to get to the point where it can stain your fingers. So I want to go ahead and grate this on the plate. I won't be using this whole thumb of ginger. It would be way too powerful for a smoothie. And I'm just basically making it for one person. That's about all we need. We don't need a whole bunch. I'd say that's a quarter of a teaspoon. Now we're going to go ahead and start with the turmeric. As you can see, it's bright orange, and I'm going to use a little bit of this as well, but it will stain your fingernails and your hands. So that's all I'm pretty much going to use. Okay, that's enough. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab 1 cup of my unsweetened coconut milk. You can use any other kind of milk that you want. And I also have a cup of water over here. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this water, and it's just cold water, because I don't want my smoothie to get too thick because we are using the frozen banana. So I'm using a Vitamix here. You don't have to have a Vitamix. You can just use a regular blender. I'm going to add my 1 cup of coconut milk. I'm going to add 1 frozen banana. And because I like greens in everything that I make, I'm going to add some of this baby kale and baby spinach. Just a little bit. I'm also going to take some black pepper and put some of that in. Now we're going to use our ginger and our turmeric. I'm going to put that in. And we're going to whiz this up. Let me show you how I'm going to serve this. So as you can see, it's nice and green because we added the vegetables. I didn't add any more water, by the way, just so you know. Now the great thing about smoothies is you can add and take away anything that you don't like. If it's not sweet enough, just with the frozen banana, go ahead and add some honey, agave nectar, or maple syrup. Now what I like to do at the end is just add a little bit of chia seeds just on the top, get some extra fiber, add a straw. So what I love about this smoothie is you get the taste of turmeric and ginger, but it's not overpowering. We didn't put that much in, but we're still getting all the benefits. So for me, the 1 banana was plenty, and it has the right consistency. I don't want it too thick. So it does have everything that I like in my smoothie with the extra vegetables. Now I've made this for my husband as well, and he didn't want the vegetables in there. He wanted some raspberries. So I added some raspberries, and it was delicious. So add and take away the things that you like in your smoothie. If you'd like to see more recipes from me, go ahead and subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching. Bye.